Hello, my name's Sheila and I'd like to take you through a quick, short demo of the BDQ body damage quote estimating system, a Thatcham Times-based estimating solution for cosmetic non-structural damage. Once you've logged on, you'll be presented with a vehicle details window. Enter a registration, optional mileage, and press the green button. It should populate the fields on the right-hand side. If for any reason it doesn't, then you can manually select from the drop-downs. A couple of other optional fields, and then we have our price profile. And a price profile is essentially a job type. You can have as many or as few of these as you want. We also have a contact details button. Adding customer details can be done either at the beginning or the end of the quoting process. And if you include customer contact details, you can then generate an invoice from the system. You're then presented with the appropriate squash frog of the vehicle, and you then need to identify the areas where the damage is by clicking on the appropriate part. You're then presented with a stock image of the vehicle, and what you then need to do is draw damage on the photograph that you can see on the customer's vehicle in front of you. And you do that by first selecting the appropriate damage type and then the appropriate drawing tool. Should the panel or part need replacing, you would then select broken or missing. Tagging one of those two damage types will tell the system that the item needs replacement. Anything else will generate a repair. We've got additional price items. You can have in here whatever you want. Tick the box, hit save, and it'll add those to the quote as well. When you're ready, hit calculate. The first quote that's produced is the summary. This is the one that would go to the customer because it doesn't include your rates and times. Hitting the browse button, if you're using the system on a computer, will take you through the file manager. If you're using the system on a tablet, will take you through the camera and camera roll, and you can add up to 15 images. Should the quote need amending, going into the detailed version of the quote and hitting the edit button will open up the quote, and here you can make deletions, amendments, additions, whatever you want. Once you're happy, click the done button to save any changes, and you can then go back to the summary version of the quote and either email the quote direct to the customer, or alternatively you can open up the quote as a PDF and print a copy off. Your company logo would be in the top left-hand corner, our logo, our Thatcham logo, your company name and contact information in the middle. You have access to your quotes between 12 and 15 months, and they're available on your dashboard. From here, you can do a simple supplementary, you can reprint the quote, re-email it, generate an invoice, generate a job card, archive or delete it if you never want to see it again. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you.